Hi, this is Goldy from Sizzlin events. Today we are in Adelaide talking to our very important sponsors who are supporting us in Gurdasman Jogia Tour 2012 live in Adelaide. I have with me Sanjay Chandiramani from Mortgage Choice. How are you, Sanjay?
Good to see you, Goldy.
Thank you very much. Good to see you too. Sanjay is in the mortgage industry and he has been helping a lot of Indian clients. Today he's going to tell us more about his business. Sanjay, elaborate more about your business. What exactly do you do?
With Mortgage Choice, we are helping our clients look at how to finance their property purchases. Yep. Not just property, we look at business and car loans as well. But predominantly when people are looking to buy a property, whether it's their first home, whether it's for investment, they need a lot of information and advice as to, are they taking the right type of finance.
Absolutely.
So what we do is we sit with them personally, one-on-one, and we discuss where they're coming from, where they want to go, do they want to pay off their home loan quickly, what is their objectives in life, do they have children, they don't have children. So we talk to them about budgeting for their home loan, because a home loan can easily be up to 50% of your income these days in Australia. So it's not very easy for people to manage that over a period of time. So we sit with them, we take them through the whole process. Not only that, we actually find the best home loan for them. Now, the way we do that is we work with nearly 30 different banks.
Oh yes.
So what happens is, by that process, they know that they don't have to go running around trying to find what is best for them. We do that, we present it to them and we say, okay, fine, based on this, this is what you can get, this is the deal, go for it, not go for it, that's their decision. But then we do all the paperwork for them. Best part of it for the customer, no fee. So it's a professional service, it's personalized, and that's what I enjoy about it, because I enjoy doing it. But at the end of the day, the customer actually doesn't have to pay me 1 cent for it.
That's good. That's pretty much offering a professional service at no cost and getting all the hard work done for them.
Yes.
That's pretty good. We've been doing concerts in Adelaide since 2009 when we did our first concert here, and since that time I have seen the number of Indian migrants coming into the town growing. We can monitor them with the number of people coming to our shows. Gurdasman 2010 was a very good success and we had nearly 17 to 1800 people came to the show, and we're expecting a bit more there. So with the rise of that Indian market here, Indian population here, there would be a lot of first-time home buyers, right? What do you cater for them? What do you offer
for first home buyers? It's very important, because what I've seen recently, there's a big trend of people coming from India who have bought property in India before. So they come over here and they expect something similar in terms of the process. The process, the funding, the loan system is very different to India.
Yes.
So they need that bridging the gap to say, okay, fine, I know what is done in India and I know what's done over here. So it's very easy for me to bridge the gap in their understanding very quickly to say, okay, fine, forget that, think about this. Then once I set that up for them, then the next thing is, how much deposit do you have? Some people come over here, they've sold land in India and they come with a lot of money. Some people come over here, first time, they've not brought any money with them. Again, understanding, what sort of budget should they keep over there. Again, properties over here, the biggest thing people ask me is, how soon will property grow over here?
Yes.
Okay. That's one of the biggest discussions over here.
Question.
Okay. First home buyers, the most important thing in my opinion is, it's your home to live in. Okay. It will grow at some stage in life, but what is more important? A roof on your head is more important.
Absolutely. Yes.
So those kind of discussions, like to me, if I sit with somebody for say 60 minutes, I might spend 45 minutes talking about life in general and about buying property. And then 15 minutes it might take me to actually do the financing for them.
That's right. What is the common mistake that you have seen, right, these people make, when they're buying the first time, and what should they do to prevent it?
The biggest mistake in my experience has been people making a decision in a hurry, not preparing enough for it. Okay. Many times I get phone calls from people saying, Sanjay, I signed a contract yesterday for 600,000. Was that in your budget? Okay. A lot of people come and they say, oh no, it's okay, we'll manage it, we'll do something. They expect the bank will lend them 90%, 95%. Do they have good employment? If you're on a casual employment, you're not going to get the loan. So those kind of issues come into the picture. So prepare beforehand, speak to professionals beforehand is what I would always tell everybody.
Do the homework.
Do your homework.
Correct. Obviously, there are a lot of other banks and mortgage people who are offering the same services. What's your point of difference?
My personal point of difference is I look at every client as if it's my best friend.
Yes.
Okay. From my point of view, I'll sit with you, I'll say, okay, fine, what's your background? Where have you come from? I just don't land up over there and say, oh, okay, you know, ANZ has the best deal or Commonwealth has the best deal. That's not that important initially. It's what, if my client, and I've got plenty of clients who after 7-8 years still call me up and say, Sanjay, we still remember you set this loan up for us and it is successful for us. Okay. If someone calls me within 2 years, and touch wood, so far nobody has done that. If someone calls me in 2 years and says, Sanjay, this was the worst decision in our life to take this particular loan, then I know that something has gone wrong. So my point of difference is sitting in your shoes, thinking with you, planning with you, and then doing the paperwork with you. That's my difference.
That's cool. I mean, obviously that's the reason you've been getting the repeat business, I suppose.
Yes, from my point of view, customer referrals and like, you know, shows like the Gurdas Maan show has been an excellent thing as well. For example, just yesterday I had someone call me up and say, you know, Sanjay, I saw your poster on the Gurdas Maan, your name on the Gurdas Maan poster.
I'm glad that works for you.
Can I have a chat with you? And that's the sort of thing that really helps, because people with word of mouth referrals, that is what helps the person have the confidence that you can trust this person. Okay. In the end, trust is a big part of this game, because someone is buying a house for, you know, whatever it be, $500,000, $250,000, doesn't matter. It's a big personal decision in that person's life. He or she wants to be dealing with people who they can trust, and this is where then repeat, you know, referrals, word of mouth, comes very handy.
Correct. Absolutely. You do the right thing by the people, they will always come back and they will bring more business.
Definitely. That's my experience.
I'm a firm believer in this. Tell me, you've been supporting us for quite a few years now, Sanjay, so I really thank you for this. And tell us, how's your experience been being a part of Team Sizzlin?
The previous experience with the Gurdas Maan show was excellent. Like, we really enjoyed it. I took a lot of my clients to the show, and they all appreciated it very much.
Enjoyed it?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, top class event, well organized, good location. The hall was fantastic. You know, the ability for us to enjoy a popular artist like Gurdas Maan was top class.
So Sanjay, please tell us where you're based.
I'm based here in Adelaide, but I've got customers all over Australia.
Yes.
So interstate, I deal with them day in, day out. So that's another one of my positive points over there, to be able to deal with people who are anywhere in Australia. But physically, I'm here in Adelaide. My office is here in Adelaide. People want to give me a call and talk to me. Most of the times I actually meet them where they are, either at their home or their work, after hours, no problem at all. But my mobile number is always on, so they can call me anytime and we can help.
So ladies and gentlemen, Sanjay Chandiramani from Mortgage Choice, official finance partner of Sizzlin events for Gurdas Maan Jogia 2012 live in Adelaide. If you're looking for a home loan, looking to refinance your home, looking for another investment property or any sort of commercial loan, please call Sanjay and his team, and they will be more than happy to assist you. Sanjay, it was glad to have you on board.
Thank you, Goldy. All the best for the show.
Thank you very much.
Looking forward to enjoying it.
And I look forward to see you on the show.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thanks.